Well, this experiment is called getting the high voltage out of an old TV set, old black and white TV set flyback transformer. When I was inspired by the plasma channel, as usual lately, and I remember the wife had a old TV set upstairs in the attic. She picked up for a possible Halloween costume. But I was playing around with this. I found the circuit that is used by plasma channel, and that actually worked. That uses a couple of coils, windings that are in the transformer, and it was a bare bones circuit with just a transistor, NPN transistor, like a 2N3055, and a couple of resistors, and it basically worked. And found another circuit. Once I got that working, this one's from Instructables. The suggested transistor here is the MJ15003, a little more higher voltage, current, power, and some extra parts, and it uses external windings, which I'm using here. To play around with that. The usual thing. Lately I've been real excited to try something and it doesn't work, and I play around with it, and finally I get some reaction out of it, and then I fine-tune it from there. But this one has the extra little diodes, fast, what do they call it, fast recovery diode, and the little snubber capacitor is too small. Nice heat sink on the transistor. But let me go ahead and fire this up, show you what kind of sparks we get out of it. It's a little disappointing. Make sure I don't get near anything. You can get a good little arc here once you strike it. It wants to be go out by the heat, but that's pretty good. I'm enjoying that. I tried feeding some of that into some tripplers I had with mediocre results. I think it's pretty fun. This design with the external coils and the extra parts, the transistor gets pretty hot. The resistors do not. The plasma channel circuit here, just using the internal coils and no extra diodes or snubbing capacitors and all that. The resistor, the 22 ohm resistor, gets really, really hot, and using the internal coils, it's the driving oscillator frequencies down the audible range. It sounds like tires screeching. This one does really good. It's supersonic. Let's get real close to striking arc. I'm going to kill the lights here without getting electrocuted. I'm going to be curious as what that sounds like when I play it back. Sure looks different in the video. I'm seeing a purple arc. In the video it's bright white. Yeah, that's fun. Just be careful, especially if you're using triplers. That's a nice. De-energize, short it out, and capacitor. Well, the transistor is pretty hot. It's on a big heat sink, and it's uncomfortable to touch. I feel like you're getting burnt, but the resistors are nice and cool. Anyway, that's a fun little spark generator.